Hi class, how are you today? How's your day? I hope you are okay, you are fine, you are happy, and you are healthy. Okay, kid. Today we want to study about chapter 2, Microsoft Office at a glance. But before we continue to this chapter, I want to remind you. Last week we studied about the chapter 1, that's about this input, process, and output devices. And also we study about the types of network. You already know the local area network, personal area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Okay, now we continue about chapter 2, Microsoft Office at glance. Today we want to study about components of Microsoft Office and components of Microsoft Word. Okay, kid, look at this. The next slide. Yeah, Microsoft Office is a collection of software of Windows-based application. Yeah, Microsoft Office. You can see this. Since the first release of Microsoft Office, sejak pertama sekali diadakannya Microsoft Office, several other versions have come out. Ya, beberapa versi keluar in the Windows platform. These are like this. Look at, have Microsoft Office 95, Microsoft Office 97, Microsoft Office 2000, yeah, and Microsoft Office 2000 XP, Microsoft Office 2003, Microsoft Office 2007, and Microsoft Office 2010. This now, yeah. Usually now we use Microsoft Office 2010, even though, yeah, some of people already use Microsoft Office 2013. Okay, we continue. Components of Microsoft Office. Okay, what are they? The first is Microsoft Outlook. Yeah, Microsoft Outlook is component of Microsoft Office. Outlook is an application designed to manage your email. The email can be sent and received efficiently. Yeah, this is for send and receive email, Microsoft Outlook. The next, Microsoft Word. Okay, this is usually we use to type. Yeah, when you want to type document, yeah, usually we use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing application. It's used to create, edit, and manage document. Yeah. Microsoft Excel. This is also you already know. Microsoft Excel is spreadsheet, yeah, application. It's used basically for calculation, analysis, and visualization of data. Microsoft PowerPoint also you already ever do when I project, yeah. Microsoft PowerPoint is presentation application, ya, untuk presentasi. It's used for preparation of slides with different text, graphic, and animation effects. And the next, Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is database management, yeah, application. It's used for creating and updating data in the form of table. Ya, untuk mengupdate dan membuat data bentuk table. Okay, we continue. Microsoft Publisher. Microsoft Publisher, I think you also already you have studied about Publisher. Publisher is desktop publishing application. It's used to create publication like office report, brochure, business letter. Yeah, the function of publisher, yeah, used to create like brochure, report, and business card, newsletter, etc. Okay, now we continue about components of Microsoft Word. Okay, you can see this picture. Yeah, you can see this. This is Microsoft Word 2007, yeah, kid. Yeah, this is have Office button here, and this is have here quick access toolbar. Yeah, and you can see this is title bar, document 1, Microsoft Word. This is the title. Yeah, and here have a minimize. Yeah, you can see this, and this is maximize, and this is cross. It means cross. Yeah, tanda silang cross. Okay, you can see this. You can see this. This is the name is ribbon. Yeah, keep ribbon. So you can see home, insert, ribbon, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. Yeah, this is in ribbon. Okay, and you can see this is the small arrow. This is dialog box launcher. Yeah, if you click this small arrow, have the dialog box, and you can see this is a ruler. Yeah, have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, ruler. And also this here you can see also ruler, yeah, vertical and horizontal. And you can see also here vertical scroll bar. You can drag this, yeah, have here. And also you have here horizontal scroll bar. You can move to the right and to the left side. This is vertical. You can move down and up. Okay, this is status bar. Yeah, this is below the horizontal scroll bar, have status bar here. Okay, kid, that is the component of Microsoft Word. I think you understood about this because you ever see the application of Microsoft Word. Okay, in this time, I want to teach you and I want to show this quick key. Yeah, this is important for us. Yeah, in Microsoft Word, when you want to create a new file, you can also click in your keyboard, Control plus N, and when you want to open already exist file, you can Control plus O. Yeah, this is the function of the Control O, open already existing file. And when you want to save the file, you can also press the Control S in your keyboard, and also Control V, that's to print. Yeah, this is scan to print. Yeah, alternate plus F4 to close file. Yeah, this is the function to close file. Control A itu to select the entire text. Yeah, memilih atau memblok text. And F1 Microsoft Word Help. Okay, this is quick key. I think this is very important for us, so you can memorize it and try in your keyboard. When you open your computer, please press this letter or this letter have in your keyboard, yeah, kid. You can try it. Okay, kid. I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. I remind you, today we study about the computer, especially chapter 2 about the component of Microsoft Word and the Microsoft Office. Okay, thank you, kid. See you.